Hi, it's Catherine Best Gordon, the Freedom Woman in the Sugar Freedom Kitchen. So I want to get this chicken in the oven pretty quick because I've got things to do today. So this is my easy keto chicken, fast and easy. All I did was I took the chicken, this is a whole roaster, it was only 77 cents a pound. You can eat keto, eat Sugar Freedom style, and save money, 77 cents a pound. About $6, so a little bit bigger than 6 pounds here. Plenty of food for your family. I'm going to take it out of the bag. I'm not going to rinse it because rinsing can spread the juices, the uncooked juices. You don't want to do that. Take it out of the bag. Take the giblets out of the bag. Dry it off with paper towel. Put it in a roasting pan. Right there, it's in a roasting pan. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. It's been preheated. The cooking is going to take an hour and 15 minutes, so make sure you've got an hour and 15 minutes after you get the chicken in the oven. So simple. You're going to season with salt and pepper. You're going to season on the outside. You're going to turn the chicken over. I'm going to take off my wedding ring. Got a ring holder right here. There's my ring. Obviously gonna wash my hands afterward. You can use non-latex gloves if you'd rather cook using gloves. Some of the expert chefs do that. I'm gonna turn it over. So obviously I'll grab a paper towel when I use my shakers. Otherwise I'll need to wash my shakers afterward. Shake on the salt. Set that down. Oh, great. Over the shoulder. And shake on the pepper. Or you could always wash the containers when you're done. All right. Now, let me go ahead and turn this back over. What I would suggest you can do, and what I sometimes do if I remember, use one hand to handle the chicken and use your other hand to handle your shakers. All right, you're gonna shake down inside because we are gonna salt and pepper inside and out. And shake it inside. I will wash these shakers afterward. Now, if you wanted, you could just stop there. You could salt and pepper, stick it out in the oven, hour and 15 minutes at 350. However, if you want to go farther, which I do, I want to add garlic and rosemary. So I got my knife. Just where you can see it. There we go. And nice and easy. I'm just gonna smack that, which will crush the garlic and will allow me to get the paper off of the garlic. And I'm just gonna put that in the cavity. If you have more time, you could tuck the garlic under the skin. I do think I have enough time to do that. And just tuck it under the skin. There we go, separate it out, tuck it under the skin. The little bit of smashing is important because that's going to help to release the juices of the garlic and the aroma. A little bit of smashing right there. And unwrap the clove. Gotta get it in there soon so that it can cook, and then I'll have enough time to eat before I have to go to an appointment and then get back to work today. So here's just some sprigs of rosemary from my garden. Rosemary from my garden. We're just gonna stick those sprigs inside the cavity. So I put the garlic inside the cavity, I put some underneath the skin, and now nice and easy, rosemary sprigs inside the cavity. Very good. And I'll just wash this towel later. Open up the oven. Grab the chicken. Remember, the pan is cool now because it hasn't been in there yet. And in it goes. 350, seasoned with salt and pepper. Now I am gonna wash my hands. I'm still here, just washing my hands. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Did you know that's the technique while you lather, and then you rinse. This is a clean towel. I'm not wiping my hands with the dirty one. And it says, dream big, never quit. I got these at TJ Maxx. So we're in there and I'm going to set it. So 1-1, timer on, 1-1-5, start. Hour and 15 minutes at 350. Woo, we got it in there. So now I can chat with you a little bit. So once again, let's go back over the steps. We took the chicken out of the bag. We removed the giblets, patted it dry with paper towel, brought it out here, put it in a roasting pan, seasoned on the outside and the inside with salt and pepper. We crushed some garlic cloves, stuck some in the cavity, put some underneath the skin, and then we took 3 sprigs of rosemary, we put those in, and then we put it in the oven. It's going in for an hour and 15 minutes. You're going to use a meat thermometer for safety. And so it's supposed to be 180 degrees when it comes out of there, and you're gonna stick this probe into the thickest part of the thigh. And when it reads 180 degrees, it's gonna be done and safe for you and your family to eat. So I'm gonna end this video now so it loads for you. I am Catherine Best Gordon. My nutrition program can be found at sugarfreedom.com. And you can email me, Catherine@sugarfreedom.com, with any questions. So of course, this is for the Sugar Freedom Fit channel on IGTV. And thank you again to the people who have followed me. I really do appreciate it. I'm gonna try to get a list and give some shout outs to you because I'm so grateful that you follow me. And of course, send me an email if there's a recipe that you wanna see or if there's training that you wanna see. Make it a great day, and I'll see you back here again on Instagram TV.